Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a failed withdrawal on Neteller so you can get your money without delays. If your withdrawal keeps failing, the first thing to check is your account verification status. Neteller won't process withdrawals from unverified accounts, so make sure your ID and address are approved. Next, confirm that the bank account or card you're withdrawing to is in your name. Neteller blocks transfers to third-party accounts. Also, double-check your bank details. Even a small error in your account number or IBAN can cause failure. Ensure your selected withdrawal method supports receiving international transfers and that your bank isn't blocking Neteller payments. If the funds are still pending or returned, reach out to Neteller support with the transaction ID. They'll help identify if the issue is on Neteller's end or your bank's side. Once details are corrected or verified, your withdrawal should go through successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.